GitLab Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we'll dive into GitLab, its key features, and whether it's the right tool for your development needs. Be sure to check out the links to GitLab in the description below for more details. GitLab is an integrated DevOps platform that offers a full suite of tools for the software development lifecycle, from version control and issue tracking to continuous integration and deployment, CI/CD. It's designed for development teams who want to streamline their workflow and collaborate more effectively. GitLab stands out as one of the few platforms that combines source code management with robust DevOps automation in one solution. One of GitLab's main features is its Git repository management, which is on par with industry leaders like GitHub and Bitbucket. It offers powerful version control, issue tracking, and merge request systems for efficient collaboration on code. With CI/CD pipelines, GitLab automates testing, deployment, and release management, allowing teams to build, test, and deploy applications faster and more reliably. GitLab also excels with its issue boards, making it easy to organize and manage work in a Kanban-style interface. The epic and milestone tracking features allow teams to break down complex projects into manageable tasks while keeping track of progress and deadlines. GitLab's monitoring and security tools are great for ensuring that your code is secure and production-ready, integrating seamlessly with third-party tools for vulnerability scanning and compliance checks. What sets GitLab apart is its open-source model, which allows for customization and self-hosting, making it an excellent option for teams that need complete control over their development environment. However, while the cloud-hosted version is simple to use and has a range of pricing plans, the self-hosted version requires more setup and technical expertise. GitLab's learning curve is moderate. While it's a robust tool, users unfamiliar with DevOps workflows might find it overwhelming at first. Also, the sheer number of features may be a bit much for smaller teams who don't need full DevOps functionality. In summary, GitLab is an exceptional platform for DevOps teams, offering source code management, CI/CD pipelines, issue tracking, and deployment automation, all in one place. If you're looking for a comprehensive, scalable solution for development and DevOps integration, GitLab is worth considering. Check out the links in the description to start exploring GitLab today.